Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to learn about how you can redeem your HelloFresh gift card. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.hellofresh.com/gift. So once you type this URL in, you will end up in the official gift card redeem website of HelloFresh. Now all you need to do is simply press on the redeem gift card option. Once you press it on, now all you need to do is simply enter the gift card code which is on the back side of your gift card and then press on the redeem button. So once you do this, your gift card will be redeemed in HelloFresh. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.